Assalamualaikum and very good day. I bid to my lecturer. Today I will present about the effects of ammonia exposure on apoptosis, oxidative stress and immune response in pufferfish, Tachyfugu obscurus. My table of contents are introduction, methods, result, discussion, and lastly conclusion. Introduction. Ammonia is an end product of protein catabolism and accounts for more than half the nitrogenous waste released by fish. It can also enter water bodies from several sources such as sewage effluents, industrial waste, agriculture runoff, and decomposition of biology waste. High ammonia level is physiologically harmful to aquatic organisms. It has reported that the concentration of ammonia increased directly with culture period and might reach as high as 46 mg L+1 in intensive aquaculture system. The molecular mechanism of ammonia stress-induced toxicity remains unclear. The river pufferfish, which is Tachyfugu obscurus, is commercially very important in China. Pufferfish is an anadromous fish with a dynamic reproductive behavior based on Kim et al. 2010. Therefore, this species provides a good opportunity for the study of stress response. We evaluated the effects of ammonia exposure on cell apoptosis, ROS production, intracellular Ca2+ concentration, and DNA damage. This information provides new insight into the molecular and cellular mechanism of ammonia toxicity. Method. We use pufferfish and then use ammonia challenge experiment. Then proceed with flow cytometer analysis, which is respiratory burst measurement, cytoplasmic free Ca2+ concentration, and then apoptotic cell ratio, and then single cell gel electrophoresis assay. Proceed with total RNA extraction and cDNA synthesis. Proceed with real-time PCR, RT-PCR, and lastly, use statistical analysis. Result. Ammonia exposure could induce ROS, interrupt Ca2+ homeostasis, and subsequently lead to DNA damage and apoptosis. Then the P53BAX-B612 pathway and caspase-dependent apoptotic pathway were both involved in apoptosis induced by ammonia stress. Additionally, ammonia stress could cause the innate immune response. Discussion. The ROS level increased significantly after ammonia exposure, indicating that ammonia exposure induced oxidative stress. The result also showed that the number of apoptotic cells was increased after ammonia exposure, which was closely related to the overproduction of ROS. It has been reported that an increase of CF Ca2+ concentration, which may be stimulated by ROS, that can trigger the apoptosis pathway. And then oxidative stress exposed to ammonia stress is indicated by changes in ROS production in pufferfish. The organism has an intracellular ROS scavenging system for protecting themselves against the toxic effect of ROS. In the present study, the mRNA expression of antioxidant enzyme was changed. Conclusion. Ammonia exposure can cause DNA damage, oxidative stress, and immune response in pufferfish. Then, antioxidant system and heat shock proteins try to protect cells from oxidative stress, but they fail to achieve an effective protection under intense oxidative conditions. That's all from me. Thank you.